Wagwan again, me Unstoppable family. Now, people, conversation about crime in Jamaica will never come to an end, you know. And the reason why it will never come to an end is because crime in Jamaica is not coming to an end. There seems to be no solution, no fix anywhere in sight, anywhere soon. See? Now, me hear some Jamaicans from the show to talk about, you don't always talk about crime in Jamaica as if a Jamaica alone crime a go on. One, two, no. We are Jamaicans, so we have to speak about for we country. Why should we talk about other countries when that not really concern we? We have to try fix the problem of we yard first before we go try fix the problem of people yard, right? So when we talk about, you know always talk about Jamaica as if a yes alone things are going. No, that is not the point, and I'm not missing the point. The other day, I listened to a radio broadcaster at Jamaica, and the broadcaster said something which had me thinking. He must say, yo, at the rate of crime I go right now, it seems criminals outnumber the police force. And when we think about it, it seems of it true. Because what? You notice the police them barely, if them can even barely control crime at Jamaica. So I'm inclined to believe that, yo, the criminals at Jamaica outnumber the police force. It seems so. Now, in this video right here, where me are going to make you take a listen to, it's a very interesting one. Dancehall veteran, lecturer, all a reasoning with Jamaican Carlos. Some people may sit back and me listen to the reasoning and me I say, me like the conversation. It's very interesting and una go like it too. So come make you take a listen to the conversation between Jamaican Carlos and lecturer.
What we're going to deal with now is the situation of the country, you know. And you see what happened is one problem we have in Jamaica, you know, because I remember so we's artists, we go all over the world, you know, because I hear Lexus talk the other day, say, 2 days ago or 3 days ago, him can't believe the amount of country he go. That's artists. We go all over the world, you know, and we see the difference within a country. So we know definitely what happened to our country. We see the difference in different countries because we never hear of anyone, from me born till now, I am 57. I never hear of a person die in Jamaica from hunger. Hunger kill them. I never hear that from the day I was born until now. Therefore, we don't have no problem in Jamaica when it comes to, providing food. Yeah? No care you say a Jamaican, Carlos, I can tell you this. Not working. Me living at the ghetto for a portion of years. And I care you see some people in the ghetto were not working. Remember say Sunday, rice and peas and chicken and carrot juice and soursop juice are prepare. Where them get it from, I don't know. But that is to show you how skilled Jamaicans are. Jamaicans is some of the skilled people them in the world. Cause even me bring friends, come at Jamaica, come drive. When the road them wasn't a road, and them ask me, how we drive on them road there. That means that we have skills. You have Jamaican we're in a trouble, and he talk him way out. You have Jamaican we're broke, and he go to road, and when they come in, a food they come in with. You have Jamaican when on papers, and the work where him do, you don't believe it. So we have skills in Jamaica. We have one problem in Jamaica is we have too much corruption in the country. Let me tell you something, Carlos. I'm talking to the entire Jamaica. Yeah, I'm not talking to you alone. Crime in Jamaica is a business. A lot of people don't know that. Yeah, crime in Jamaica is a business. The first thing I'm gonna say to you, you see this little boy now, where say him come out, attacking and only and I do this and I do this. Me is not a PMP, me is not a labor right. Me is, you know who I am? I am MOC. Me is not a PNP, me is not a GLP. Me is a MOC. A lot of people say, well, lecturer mean by MOC. Man of my country. And that's my party. Man of my country. Yeah? These are MOC. Man of my country. So if PMP around the country and them are do good, me go say PMP good. If GLP around the country and them are do good, me go say GLP good. If GLP around the country and them are do bad, me go say GLP bad. If PMP around the country and them are run it bad, me go say them bad. Cause I'm a MOC, man of my country. Yes, so I don't business. Who around the country wants it running good? Me, I gotta tell you something. A lot of people talk about this Andre Stevenson where, and he's good, and yes, him to speak out, and I will want somebody like this long time. Let me tell you something, the whole hour, Andre, me I tell you. If them did let me in a little thing where I go on, I can't to him in partner draw. If him did get him partner draw, Carlos, me I tell you, say nobody down here, nothing. He would have quiet like a lamb.
That's true.
Yeah? If him did get him partner draw.
That's true.
Nobody would hear nothing, not even a pin of that drop. The only reason why this man come out and talking is not love him love the country, is him partner draw where him not get. And this is the way now where Jamaica don't see say this is a way through, you know. This is a way through. Because I see people in Jamaica praying and prayers, they say, the Lord, me believe in my God. God answer prayers in different ways. God is miraculous. Yeah? God move mysteriously. Yeah? So you see Andre pattern when come out with and feet so now is him a spite and the OLS and the GLP cabinet is a way of bettering Jamaica, but it's them now to use it. Because here what me I say, me would like them lock up the whole of them when the MP for two, you know. I want every one of them to go to prison. Everybody were involved. I would like them to go to prison. Because this is the way Jamaica going better. Because here we know. Yourself, we know what's your name, the barrister where him get, or the QC where him get, Valerie Nita.
Yes.
The world knows that Valerie Nita is a PMP. The world knows that. Valerie Nita is a PMP, yeah? So if a PMP, QC, bring down a labor right MP, if PMP should have win again, labor right I go watch them. And if labor right win back now, and them know say, you know, say PMP I watch we, and that's the way to the better of the country, because you set the thief to watch the thief. Because let me tell you something, Carlos. Everybody in a corruption, no PMP alone, no JLP alone, no MP alone, everybody in a corruption down at Jamaica, and that's why it can't better. It's years me a talk, it said, these guns that coming in Jamaica, them a blame it on ghetto youth. Why ghetto youth get money? Because first thing, you know, it's gonna come in at Jamaica, yeah? Whether by ship, by plane, by boat, you have to have money, because people have to get paid to keep their mouth shut. People have to get paid for machine read. And when them see the gun, them say no gun no in there. You understand? We get a youth, I go get them kind of money there. To go pay people, yeah? To go give them, to keep their mouth shut. Now get the youth now bring in a gun in Jamaica. It's the big man them doing it. So gun crime in Jamaica is a business. Mm-hmm. It's a business. The next, let me tell you something, Carlos. It's a whole heap of things that go on in Jamaica that need to correct. I hear police, I tell people, so when them know the gunman them, yeah, they become a station contact. I'm more them want in Jamaica. Because police see him one in the station, I go come back and tell the gunman them, say, his lecturer tell we say we don't have gun. So even when lecturer fly out, corporal lecturer family I go dead up because the lecturer talk it. The police them a come tell them back. The same police them where you go tell in the station, them a go tell. Come let me tell you something. It's not police down at Jamaica they on payroll, you know. They on bad man payroll, you know. And that the government to know about, you know. But here the government can't look about it too. Because the government corrupt too. So why you ever take my why you ever stop me from make my food and you are make your own round it up? Why you ever stop me from make my food and you ever make my food round it up? You know, say me carry my daughter come to Jamaica with me. The 4th of November me there Jamaica, yeah? And me carry my daughter with me. The first my daughter come to Jamaica. Dad, I want to go to Jamaica. I want to know this Jamaica them at about. Me say, all right, me I carry you. Mr. Jamaica is not what enough people talk about it, you know. There's nice, beautiful places in Jamaica, nice, decent people in Jamaica. It's not everybody where you hear things that you say, I want to see it myself. I'm going to tell you what happened to me now, Carlos. Me and I car and me I drive right near out a 3 mile where the zinc factory did the same as you come off of the bridge, me I come off of Agli Park. From Agli Park where I come down and go over Portmore. And I come over there. And I say, babes, I'm gonna drive so slow with you that you can see. And I sure yes, there was water first, you know, where this road Bill and Ray. As we built the corner, it's a policewoman and a policeman, me say, stop me. The first thing my daughter asked me, why them stopping you? Me say, watch. Yeah, what me say to her, you know, watch them are going to show me on the gun, the speed, what me doing. And she said, how much is the speed on this? Me say, I think it's 60. And she said, you was only doing 55 that. Me say, me no. Me say, watch. Them are going to show me, say me that do over 80. Carlos, you know, so when we go up to the police then, yeah? Do you know why we stop him? I say, no. He must show me the gun. This, and my daughter said to him, you know, he just told me that. Here now, yeah, you're from England? And she said, yes, I just come down here, experience in Jamaica. The man has shown me upon the gun, 85. And at 55, me show my daughter, and she even asked me, because to me I drive slow with her, to show her, say, me want to show her the old bridge too. To show her, say, this, which part where I drive from was water first. You know the new road where them build over Portmore and the new bridge. But I want to show her it and show her, say, yes, there was water. Me I drive slow with my daughter, you know. And the man stopped me and show me 85 on the gun. Say, me I do 85 on the gun, you know. You know what them do, Carlo? When a car speed, them take it. But you say if a car they look like I know somebody that we can give you a thing, them not stop him. Them all that till them feel like somebody we can't give them a thing. Them all it like when them feel like yeah the car look good, you know, we can't get something from the car. You understand? So them show it now, say at that speed you would do. So me say, yeah, where the officer? Write the ticket. That's my daughter. I say, why you going to take a ticket for 85? Where me say, maybe them want a thing and me no give police money. Hear the police now. Anybody did ask you nothing? If I one time me thump in your mouth. Me say, yes, no. If I one time you that thump in my mouth. You know why me tell you that story? I'm going to tell you what part of the crime in Jamaica come from, yeah? You see, one time, police used to kill people innocent. Me not say bad man in Jamaica. You know. Listen to all lecturer talk, because I don't want nobody to say me have to come to bad man or me have to come to police. Police used to kill bad man for nothing at all. Kill innocent people for nothing at all. Kill decent people for nothing at all. There's a lot of kids that grow up in Jamaica right now, Carlos, without father. Yeah? And here what happens. When them grow up, them say to them mother, Mommy, where is my father? She said, police kill him. Him say, what my father did do? Nothing. You know already what she do? She set hatred in that child already for police. Because police kill my father for nothing. Now alright, that child becomes 16, 17 and a police stop him. He might go him look work or he might go to school. Or he might go in college or him look an evening job and police stop him. When police stop you at Jamaica, you know, England, Jamaica supposed to be using English law, you know. They're supposed to say, we stop you. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything what you say can give it as a evidence, a ray. They're supposed to read your rights. You as a Jamaican caller, tell me how much police ever stop you at Jamaica and tell you that. Police don't stop you and tell you that. Them say, Batman, go over there for me kicking at your face. That's so police stop you at Jamaica. So right now, that little neat boy, where I got, me not say everybody down at Jamaica innocent, but when you stop the innocent man now and tell him that. Remember, this was one of them where you kill it, where police kill his father, you know, and the mother tell him, say, nothing, if the father never do nothing. Now, in that youth art, remember say him not do nothing, and a police stop him now, and I deal with him that way. It leave him to believe what his mother said. Because he never do nothing, and see, police are really want. You know, say, me I come from dance already, Carlos. And a policeman put a 16 on my shoulder. He point the 16 on me first. Dance, me I come from as a young DJ, you know, because I used to follow dance. And you know, saying a few days, we just go hold mic anyway, we don't get no pay, but we want bus, so we go hold mic, make people hear it. Me I come from dance over Waterford, down at Gregory Park. me I come from, and me I walk, I come up to Independence City, because Independence City me live. And it's a 4 man I walk. And then we just see them, when them pass me first, and then just say, nobody no move, and turn on. And the boy put the 16 from me and look for one of my friend and say, you like him? Make him friend just say no and see if you like hear me talk to you. Do you hear me talk to you on the phone? The police put the gun from me and say, you like him? The man say, leave him, man. And the man come to me and say, where you come from? He say, dance where I come from, officer. But I look at DJ, I try bust on them. You know what the man do with me, Carlo? Put the 16 from my shoulder and fire it. You hear what I tell you? The man put the gun from my shoulder, Carlo, for years. Me not hear nothing.
No.
I bust the man that got bust me ears jump. Say nothing at all, because me not do nothing. So those are the things now. Crime is a thing we plant in Jamaica. So I reap them. You know, see the little boy them not take the part now from police. If them have them gun and police stop them, I shoot out, you know, kill me, you know, because I know that whether you stop me with it, you're not going to carry me, you're going to want to kill me. So me I try shoot me way out. You understand? The first thing in Jamaica what to clean up is the heads. That's where it come from. The heads. Everybody are going to politics to go get something. Nobody now going to politics to go better the country. Everybody are going to politics to go get something. Because me know so me not spend more than 4 years in that. So you know what me do? Me a scrape out, set up my friend them, set up my family. That's when me lose election, me alright. That's all in Jamaica. Nobody now think about the future of the country.
Real.
Everybody is thinking about the future of me. Because I don't want nobody to be the MP. And when me are not MP again, I have 2 houses, I have 3 cars, I have that, I have this. That is what in Jamaica. And what Jamaica people need to do, they need to speak their mind. You understand? But you see, Marcus Garvey tell me, you know, your words cannot die, you know. Your words. You can dead, you know. But your words cannot die. Because even if they kill me tomorrow, at least Carlos have something can play. When my voice step on, when me that talk.
Can't kill the words.
You understand? They can't kill the words. The words is there already. So when you da like now, alright, look on this now, Carlos. Just the other day now. See there? A day before yesterday, one of them there. Gun come to Donald Sankta airport. Must say yesterday or day before yesterday. Tell me now, how gun come to airport? Just tell me now, how gun come to airport? It must be a link. It's either America a try to degrade our country, so them a pull it up with gun, but who them a send it the gun to? You think America can send gun to the little youth them way in the ghetto? You think America can send gun to one little Batman way in the ghetto, or one little lesbian, or one little idiot boy? It must be a big executive. Them a send it to. You understand? To degrade our country. What we need in Jamaica is some people who is for the country, not for the people. You know. Let me give you a joke. When I see on Facebook what day. I see a woman come on Facebook what day. I tear up on JP man picture and I burn it up. And you me vote for you. I'm a vote for you. And you tell me say you're gonna give me plyboard. So plyboard you vote for. You vote a MP in because him can give you a seat a plyboard. You don't vote a MP in because him going to fix the road. Him tell us him going to put light, make you no get water, make you no pick the gas school. Him going to make some more job in the district. Him going to make the police them can come in and make somebody gunman them come out of that. You vote for him because him can give you a plyboard. You see the nature of what they're coming to. You see the aspect of what I'm coming to. You are voting for an MP when you know so him could be a criminal. He could be a thief. When them man are going, them are going to rob up the money. But through him say, him are going to give you a piece of plyboard to fix your shop. You run gone out there, gone vote. Eh?
Speak your mind, my brother. Speak your mind. You know what you want to say, lecture, when he was talking about the police, they put the gun on your shoulder, the rifle on your shoulder and bust it. You know, in the department, and police also beat up people and stuff. That's why I tell people say, leave in the command.
That's what I'm saying to you. That's what I'm saying to you. I said crime is something that is planted in Jamaica and now they are reaping it. It's them planting it and no, them planted in Jamaica now they are reaping what they sow. What they plant, you understand? Because the youth them not take the talk from the police them. Because the police them now do them work. The police them now do them work. Them do what they want. Missy little boy police drape up all big man and box me in the face. You can't do them something there. You talk to people, you call them batty man. You tell them go suck them mama. You can't be police and tell people to go suck them mama. And you police. Then what you expect them to do?
Exactly.
Carlos, me da England. And you see, me, it's a joy when police stop me in England. Yeah? Because the first thing me do, wind down my window and I said, officer, good afternoon. What did you stop me for? Because police can't stop you just so you know. They have to stop you for a reason.
Probable cause.
Sometimes them tell you bandole thing and that they really stop you for you know. But they have to give you a reason.
Yes, police stop
why them stop you?
Police stop me here for
make a policeman stop you at Jamaica and you ask him when you stop you and say if you not cut your box in your face. I say you're not a man. Just make a policeman stop you at Jamaica and you ask him when you stop you and say if you not cut your box in your face and ask him say boy else a face. Just ask him when you stop you for. So what me trying to tell Carlos said the head of the water need to be clean for the rest of the river to run clean.
Yes, because as me look lecturer, as you see, lately you see all the police them on social media, you see the videos them come out, police are threatening man, say they shoot them, go suck out your mother and stuff like that. Over and over. It's definitely enough people are talking about the country to fix and the country to fix, the country to fix. The country can't fix till the head alright. Alright at the head if it start. Carlos, you ever see somebody start paying to an house from down at the bottom of the house? You ever see somebody start paying to an house from down at the bottom? No, sir.
You ever see somebody wash a car from down at the bottom?
No,
no, for the top of the car, you see them start wash go right down. Because the water go run down. The water go dirt up the bottom if the top go clean. If you wash the bottom, if you wash the bottom of the car and then go on the top go wash it, the bottom now go dirt your back.
Exactly.
But if you wash the top and go right down, everything clean. It's the top them need to clean up because in there for the corruption there. In at the top, the corruption there. Everybody in a Jamaica is a hustler. Everybody in a Jamaica is a hustler. Police, Prime Minister, opposition, MP, doctor, lawyer, Now here the hospital ram and a number run it, and a number run it, and a number run it. Don't worry yourself. Just see a nurse. Just see a nurse. And call her and say, Mummy, you know, say, me have to go and squeeze 20 grand in her, and I said, you don't get a number where you never be here. You never even know, say, when you have number 2, then give number 0. If somebody have number 1, you get number 0. And I say, number 0 first, before them say number 1. You get 2 before everybody. Everything in a Jamaica is a hustler. My daughter cannot believe when the police write down, say they have 85. I said, daughter, everything sell in Jamaica, you only want to have your money and name the price. You only want to name the price and have the money. You can't get everything to buy down here. And let me tell you something, Carlos. As what me hear Alexa say, I've been around the world. Nowhere no better than Jamaica. I've been around the world. You know when me there England one day and I watch TV. Yeah, Carlos, I watch a TV. And I see a big Scotland yard boy come on, John Wayne, the Scotland yard boy named John Wayne, come on TV. And you know what he said? If we never have informant from Jamaica, he don't know how to manage the yard, the way we clever. That's what the man said out of mouth. He said, them your people here would have too clever for we if we never have them own to work on them. So here we know, that's the only way Jamaica will get better. Turn labor right from PMP and turn PMP from labor right. Make the whole of them watch them each other and see if the country is better. I'm afraid for the week you are going to talk. And that's the only way the country is better. Can I tell you, if Andre is getting partner job, me people are big him up and I say, well, people they help him and bray. If him did get him partner job, nobody don't hear nothing. Everything under the carpet, same way. Because remember when the man talk out time one mouth, you know. The man said from 2008, you know. From 2008, man, the Prime Minister role, you know. You want to tell me, sir, from 2008 to 2021, you don't see nothing where you could attack?
No.
That's what I try to tell you.
From a 16-year-old him around them, you know. It was introduced to them from
No, you hear that? All right.
Long time.
And from that time till now, from that time to the age where you be now, and now you are come out contact, you never see nothing till now. And let me get him partner job.
It's always somebody who's displeased in any party or any group and come out with the descending voice, you know. It's always somebody who get hurt to come out. So make it come out, come tell me, because we need something. Because a long time me I speak some things and me hear some that's a connect. So make it speak. But you're right about if Andre had gotten his partner draw, wouldn't have heard from him. Him speak that to him.
All right. Carla. How you think police find some robbers sometime? How you think police find some robbers? 3-4 man go rob somewhere. How you think police find the rest? I just one of them they want to hold in.
Stand by each other.
I just one of them they want to hold in. All the police just sit down and pray that the money don't share right. That's all the police sit down and wait for. Just the money don't share right. Cause one of them must contact for him to get team cut, you know. They must contact. And you could have light the country tomorrow morning, gas it and light it. You wouldn't hear him contact. Cause him get team share. But the get where him not get now, he might come out and want like him go and like say him are the good one. May I come out contact now, cause no man, this a get bad and this a get bad. And when them touch the kids, it touch me. A long time them a do something what you know about. Mr. Andrew, Andre, I wear one name. You may tell that. Long time them a do something you know about and you never come out contact. So why you come out contact now? We know one year. You know when we do 1 year, we do 1 year for you see the first thing happen. We did 1 year. We spite and tell somebody and say, me not tell a lie, you know. Me amongst them people here and I not think they're right, you know, cause them me not think they're good for the country. And people that say, well, you know, it's a long time me talk, but too rare, me never go over talk. You never ever talk nothing. You never ever talk nothing. Let me tell you something. If me a liar right now, the first somebody me a investigate for you, when you're Andre, I first me a investigate for, I must know something else. You must know something else. Because it's long time you're amongst them. You understand? It's long time you're amongst them. You must know something else. Me say the only way, let me tell you, people are praying. People are praying because enough people love them country. Me are one of them who will die for my country.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Okay.
Me love my country. Yeah? Enough people want to come home. They have a tune right now on YouTube. People can go look on it. Gun no kill people kill people. Yeah? And the gun kill people kill people. The youth them nowadays. Them get mad, them get evil. Yeah? Look how much people live over abroad. Tired of foreign and want come a yard. Hear the bad news, so them have to draw a card. People down a yard, them are dead like dog. That's why enough people don't come down there. People not afraid of Jamaica, but them are going to do this, them are going to do that. Are they killing? People afraid of. Nobody not afraid of Jamaica because hungry down there. Nobody not afraid of Jamaica because no food not down there. Nobody not afraid of Jamaica because no house not down there.
Yes.
Nobody not afraid of Jamaica because no rain not down there. Are they killing?
Yes. We'll give up everything up. So we tell them all around the lecturer. We'll give up. We have AC in the house. We have hot and cold water.
Yeah.
We have heat in the house. We have good road. We got all police to come. We're willing to give up that to come at Jamaica.
Foreign natural like Jamaica. Even the heat when in your house not good enough.
No.
Even the heat when in your house not good.
No. No one better than yard family. That's why we're willing to run with come back yard, but we're not willing to sacrifice for life.
But no people that come down there, but them afraid. Them afraid.
Some are afraid of their own family. Some people tell me, say, Carlos, I'm afraid of my own family. May I hear some stories about some family?
Then who you think down there kill people? All right, there's enough people when you say come home. Let me tell you the next thing. A good thing you touch a topic then. Enough people when you say come home. Because I'm going to tell you what happened to me, you know, Carlos. Enough people when you say come home. Yeah? And you see them dead. Guess how them dead now? You see them build one house. And then left it down there, and then left Master Joe, who is their brother, uncle, sister, picnic in it. Yeah? She live nice. Because you know, she not have to pay no rent. She could have gone rent out the people them house and then don't even know. Because anytime she come, anytime them come down there, she know, because she going to pick them up at the airport. I hear they say, clean up her room, because we are come, because sometimes they will lock up them bedroom and they ray and then sweep all the house and tidy up, because we are come down. You see, when they come down, she knows. So we tell the little tenant them, say, we can't stay in the car, the owner come. We have to go for 1 3 weeks somewhere, and then we can't come back and ray. You see, the people them say, them come home now, the money now go run again. No renting now go on again. Not now go on again and ray. Right. We can't anger this, you know. Them said somebody to kill them. And guess what now? 2 of them did live at the house already. 2 of them did live at the house already, Carlos. Yeah? Nobody now going to really run them out again. Unless you have 1 big son or 2 daughters, I go say, all right, we're going to the house, we'll sell mummy house and Ray. And if you try sell it, and you're down there, they know which part of them, they will kill you too. Most of the residents where you have to go back home, it's family kill them. Nobody no go there. And maybe none of them pull the trigger, you know, but it's them organize it for them dead. What happened to Jamaica? Why somebody can just look into themselves and say, we have a pot of gold. Jamaica is the land of opportunities, not foreign. Don't there, so. Me tell you, Carlos, me never hear a little people dead of hungry at Jamaica. Me never hear a big man, a little woman, and nobody me never hear dead at Jamaica for hungry. So poverty not at Jamaica. No poverty not at Jamaica. Got one place near 80. I want to see poverty. Got one place near Sierra Leone. I want to see poverty. Got one place near Lagos. They are telling the places where me see with me to yaya. Only see poverty. We never see people live in a same place where them sit. Same place where them sit and that's where they live. You smell the sit in there so you live because you sit down there so, and you sleep up there so. Me never see that at Jamaica yet. Jamaica people are some of the cleanest people. Jamaica people create and most creative people. Look how we dance, look how we reggae. Jamaica people make some breed of food when you taste it. What happened to us? We can't look into ourselves. Where bad mind are go, where grudgeful are go. Most of the killing where you see go on down there is that everybody want to rich, nobody want to work. And then them ball out, so they can't get no work. Work that Jamaica, colors. You hear me tell you?
When me there Jamaica,
work that Jamaica.
I took care of me for Jamaica and me hustle and buy. Hustle, me put my foot to the wheel.
Carlos, you want me to tell you something? Me can't call him name because my virgin him not go vex. Me know a youth at St. Mary. We call him Teeth. Teeth Almighty. Me and Teeth are school. I'm a ton DJ. I'm a travel left Teeth at Jamaica. Still keep in touch and rare and we talk, and when we come to Jamaica we get a 1 shoot and a 1 thing and rare. I still have a friend. And 9 cars Teeth have now. 9! And Teeth never take a plane yet. You know what Teeth? How Teeth get in? A farming, you know? You know what's a farming? The man do and buy 1 car, farm and buy 2, and the man put 2 cars on the road and have 9 now. And by the time you go down at Jamaica, I never seen this time when we go down. My being show me 11 or 12.
When I grow.
So work that Jamaica is people don't want to do this work because this work is slow.
But look, when I think like this, lecturer, when I grew up in the bike, you know, when I go dance, and I walk my bridge and boom ride and all them things, and a hop truck and hop out the Pacific dance. And my youth have bike lecturer. The my youth have bike lecturer. And the man they do sell fish. You know, me have a bike and I put sell fish or ice cream people. I kill them people them bike.
Well,
I kill them people them bike.
But me I tell you better than that now. Carlos, when last you hear a bubble dread I sell boom at Jamaica? When last? Just tell me the last time you wake up and hear a man a ball out. Bro, tell me the last time.
How long time I see that? Anybody see that?
When last you see a man pass with bicycle, you remember the bicycle there with the big box at the front?
Yes.
The big box at the front and the full of callaloo pack, so lettuce and them. When last you see that at Jamaica?
When I
just tell me when last you see that. My day if a man come to the ghetto now with that people are. And them something, my mother used to wait for Sunday morning because Kalalo man must come. Kalalo man must pass.
Yes.
Mr. Buy a bungalow, Kalalo. When last you see them something, I hear the man a ball out and way down the road. Kalalo, and way down the road.
Yes. Even fresh eggs, people.
When last you see them something,
fresh eggs, even eggs. Man, I walk and sell eggs. Remember them daily?
You know, hear me, I tell you. This man used to pass on bike, Ford, icicle. Where them something they gone out of Jamaica?
And now you
and enough people are going to say it's modern time now. Yeah, it's modern time. So where is the modern thing? Gunshot? A gunshot is the modern thing. Robbery and gunshot is the modern thing.
This one more I understand, lecturer. And a poverty make the youth them a killing them. Can you have it more than we?
It's poverty, man.
And we the hungry.
The poverty, you know, we get the deal already.
And we should have been criminals.
The deal already, Carlos. The poverty in that Jamaica. No poverty in that Jamaica. Which poverty, man?
And the poverty, man, they have too much money. And that's the problem. Too much money for them youth to have and I use it by a gun. The problem is too much money for them youth to have. Too much money for them have.
Carlos, man. Carlos, we know poverty, you know. Which poverty?
Them boy ever share a beer yet? Them boy ever share a dragon or a Guinness yet? Them boy ever share a bulla yet? Eh? Come on, man.
Beer and bulla.
Them ever share a bulla
yet? And bulla. Them ever eat dumpling and butter.
Them have too much.
Then I know salty. Nothing dumpling and butter.
Brother.
Then you tell them know them food. If you ever cook them food, they give them nowadays you tell know them gas in your face.
You never got a butter go buy one shoes and wear yet. You never got a butter go buy a butter shoes and wear. No, you must have clocks. You think we could afford
them youth and the latest sneakers.
Yeah, look on the phone. The man don't want the biggest.
How much people you say I got school? Carlos, I got school barefoot. What you people know you say I got school barefoot? I got school barefoot.
Me too. Asphalt bun you.
I got school barefoot. Barefoot.
Asphalt bun you. All hole in there brief. Nothing in, no buck toe.
Brief. A boy but I got school sometime. Which brief? Carlos.
Right.
Remember when we are growing up, Carlos? Remember when we are growing up? We have church clothes, you know. And we have yard clothes, you know.
Yes, sir.
You forgot that?
Okay.
We have church clothes, yard clothes, and going out clothes, you know. And when you come from school, your mother say, put on your yard clothes because the yard to sweep up. And the brief where you wear, you have to wash it and hang it out to go back to school tomorrow and put on your pants without brief. Because I want brief to have.
And if your shoes wet up, you have to put it to dry. If you wear shoes tomorrow, go to school. When we start high school, we start wearing shoes. I'm going to want shoes wet to me go to high school.
Them you ever wash khaki clothes and take iron and dry?
No. We'll crack the steer out lecture.
No poverty, no that Jamaica.
Yeah,
no poverty no down here. No poverty no in Jamaica.
Look here,
look what them do. We can't tell us 5. Let me tell you, 7. I would have said 7. I would have put it up more than that. 8. In every 10 family where that Jamaica have somebody that find where them can call.
Oh yeah. Most definitely.
Would I say 8? Yeah? Carlos, you ever got Western Union when you are Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
After that, we never even know Western Union.
We never know Western Union about.
First time I money, when me see my mother used to get money from our brother did that in England. I post was sitting there, postal order.
Yeah, man. I really tell people.
A postal order they used to come. Me never see my mother go to Western Union or no Jamaica National. Them something never even me go.
You have to get a phone box, go get a call and pray that them answer the call. Phone box got turn up in a
That's good.
We don't know.
but and that come recently to come. Remember that letter you have to write.
Lecture. Let me ask you a question. Lecture.
9 days to go foreign and 9 days to come back.
Look at
1 month before you hear back from them.
Lecture. Let me tell you something. If no way they have phone and Facebook and I see them, we no when they have foreign, we say right at Jamaica and get girl.
Nobody blur that here, man.
We don't can say right at Jamaica and talk to foreign girls and look at. If we have this, so we have Jamaica, no one there so. We are saying right in Jamaica. Like cheese.
Carlo.
Yes,
so rich Jamaican that foreign, you know.
Yeah.
You didn't know that?
Me talk to enough of them.
Carlo. So rich Jamaican that foreign, you know.
Me know, man.
But they're not invest in Jamaica.
They don't know. That's why I say, they don't even look funny now.
So rich Jamaican, in a same place as England, they will be there. Me see some Jamaican up here where me don't know, me never know so them are Jamaican, you know.
Tell them. They tell them, man. They tell them.
Till they talk, you know, and them man, they tell me which part them come from and where, you know.
They tell them, boss. Enough man over here.
Me know a youth up here where come from Jamaica, you know. He come from where, St. Elizabeth. One day me and him attack. And one that road that house the man rent out, you know. From the top to the bottom of him, you know.
Yes, man.
You hear what me tell you? From the top to the bottom.
Yes, man.
A theme, you know.
Yes, man. Jamaicans everywhere, man. Big.
And when the man hear me talk, the man say, you're from Jamaica, I say, yeah. And the man, where, I'm just talk, and the man tell me where he come from, and where. The man give me 3 bills in my hand and say, he not have no money for him now. And I 300 pounds he give me, you know. If a man get 10 pounds in England, enough money in here, you know. And the man give me 300 and say, he not have no money for him now. Because them man, they don't work with money. Enough people up to have money, Carlos, so can invest in the country. It's afraid of the corruption with that Jamaica. The corruption. Nobody now look into the corruption. Carlos, you remember one case? Where, I can't remember which part, where one man must either keep a dance. I think I saw me out of Willow Dean. Out them way there. Central Village, out of them road there. Where a man keep a dance, I must either have a bodyguard where police and some more police come there to kill the man. And the one police around them down, and when they find out it's police, they must shoot them up. Car crash and one police are sent jump in the water with their phone in their pocket. I don't hear gunshot fire about that case. I don't hear nothing that does sweep under the carpet and gone.
Then what about
those are the things what we're talking about.
The most recent one is the one of the cult pastor there and the 2 police was in the car that survived. I know we're not hearing about the case. We don't know why all the car crashed, the man grabbed up on the steering and punched them. What happened? We're not supposed to hear nothing. Nothing's hidden. That's just done and gone. Nothing to sweep on the road.
Let me tell you something, Carlos. Corruption is everywhere. You know. Don't think we have put down Jamaica as the most corrupted country in the world. You know. Corruption is everywhere, you know. But guess what now? They say 2 Jamaica a little bit, for them corruption can't hide.
And when people are caught in England, America, and with corruption, then they pay. They pay. Whenever the spotlight shines upon them, they pay for it.
Yo.
They go prison.
They say right now in England, go up on the news if you think a joke they make. The Prime Minister of England out for losing job. Right now in England. You know what him do? You know what the Prime Minister do? Go keep party. When I lockdown.
Hold on a lecture. Let me tell you people, nothing criminal, people, is ethical. If do something ethically wrong, nothing criminal they do. And then have him on a
tree. You hear what me tell you?
About to kick him off right now. They were about to throw him over the cliff right now.
Mr.
Go ahead, bro.
Go up on the news, go look at the thing, Joe. The Prime Minister of England, Boris Johnson. His job, they're on an island, piece of thread, it's on right now. You know what Boris Johnson do? Go keep party when a lockdown. And the Prime Minister that's for the country, you know. Make Andrew always keep a big party down at Jamaica when lockdown and see if anybody talk about it.
No, man.
Just make Andrew always keep a party down when lockdown. I see if anybody talking. And the Prime Minister of England keep a party right now in job hang on a piece of thread.
It's called accountability.
And all them get 56 votes in the cabinet. They time to left him at the court. And all them just get 56 votes in there, in the cabinet. Those are the things
and
that
people on his side. And you know, people on his side, he might come out against him too. Jamaica lack accountability, people. Like lecturer said, we don't say criminals and crime and corruption are there everywhere. But anytime they get caught, family, they have to be held accountable.
It's not tell you, it's not dealt with. It's not alright. Then Carla, tell me something now. If you know a shop where you can go for thief, yeah? And anytime anybody will go to the shop for thief, anybody will go to the thief, and the man hold them. The man just slap them on them and I said, don't come back and don't do it. That's a shop a target, you know.
Yeah, man.
That shop won't be a target, you know, because guess what? That man is not like a people. That man is not be nothing. That man is a nice man. So if you not getting punishment for what you do in the country, why you going to stop? You're not getting punishment for it, so why you going to stop?
Exactly. Exactly.
Eh? Jamaica make it look like law go for some people, but law don't go for other people.
That's right. That's right.
That's Jamaica. Law go for some people, law don't go for other people. The law is supposed to stand for everybody.
Yes. Break on the
law is supposed to stand, and when people see that, all right, Carlos, you know what right now up here in I see a House of Parliament in England now, I think some money go missing. Some money go missing. And you say everybody was supposed to know about that money get suspended. And when we call over the FBI, we call it Scotland Yard over here. The Scotland Yard boy them come in. Everybody we're supposed to know where that money do get suspended. And Scotland Yard boy come in and investigate. So you say, who them investigate now, them cut it down. Like a 10 them suspend, then cut it down to 5. And the 5 then now come back and work till they cut it down to 2, till they all are who them want. After them work. Walk to Jamaica we a little bit. How much is 60? How much people in that cabinet? 60?
Yes, a criminals thing we are running. 60.
Then everybody in that thief. You give a man 2 million to fix the road. Him take 500,000 out there, and he give a man 1.5 million to fix it.
Hold on. Or you give a push button. Or you give a politician money like that. Or you don't go to the government, public work department. Or you give a man money.
What happened to the receipt? What happened to the receipt? What happened to the receipt? Where is the receipt where you go fix the road, man? What happened to your accountant? Nobody not check when the money goes. Nobody not check when it come in. Nobody not check where the money do. Nobody not check where it buy, where it spend, man. Nobody will check that.
No man is held accountable for nothing. No man is held accountable.
Nobody no accountable for nothing. You just take the money and charge people, and you just go do things like that. Who for bill house, who for buy car, who for buy truck, who for buy donkey, who for buy goat. Everything just done.
Brother, that's why crime them.
You can't run the country, so man. You can't run the country, so man. Somebody need to. Mr. Carlos, me I pray that Val will need to bring some of them politicians go in a court. You don't believe that? If I have to beg the FBI them come down, come investigate. Me want somebody go to prison. Because when somebody go to prison, is the way out for Jamaica to better. Because everybody knows that
people is a prison. Prison people, man.
Then I tell you, people go to prison.
You think Aki have government
general place? People go to prison.
And you got prison. Look on millions and millions and millions.
It's to investigate and people go to prison. That's the only way it has stop.
Yes. Example
to investigate and people go to prison.
Yes, sir.
And that's the only way it can stop. Because show you say you're not above the law.
Jamaican politicians are above the law. It's time to pull them down. There's a lot of people over you writing them letters all over. Me tell the people, one day I'll read one of those letters to you because somebody's going to send one of them letters when them write to all different departments over here trying to look help for the country. Politicians to go to prison. All of them teeth there.
Yeah, man.
They have to go to prison, Jamaica.
They have to go to prison. They have to investigate and people got. Sometimes, Carla, you see a politician, he may have one nice little car and nice little house, him little business that go on before him going into politics. You see when the man going into politics, the man move from the house there. The man drive by a bigger car. The man and the little pay away him get.
And nobody talk about it. And you know what?
Nobody not say nothing.
And the news media who's supposed to be the watchman.
Nobody Nobody not say nothing.
Bro.
All of a sudden you see him bread around there to start build up one next house round there so and you see brother start give out money to cut road and nobody not investigate it. No. Everybody sit down.
Not even the journalists don't follow them. Not even the news media and the news media job, you know, and them are the watchman in the people. You think that could have get over here?
All right.
You think that could have get over with that here?
You say news media Jamaica.
Whoa.
News media don't go from people that do good things, you know. You never know. Let me tell you something, Carlos. Go in at the ghetto if you think I joke me and make. Listen to this. In the ghetto, you as a little ghetto youth in the ghetto, yeah? And your mother roast corn and sell boiled soup and road at daytime and railway to send you go to school. You go to school, come out, go your little college, come out, you turn on a little doctor, and you turn on a little nurse, and you pee in the, you know what the pee mean, you know? You pee in the district, you know? You didn't know that? You pee in the district, and that they call it, you know, pee hole in the district. All right. You say if you come out and you start kill people and give all a girl a key and say, go for the house till my country. And you start rape people, rob people, and carry gun coming at the district and come. Your dads. And you are the dads, you know.
Yes, sir.
When you come in at the district, you hear some man tell the dads that. Guess what the dads are do? Kill people, rape, sell drugs, bring gun in at the dads that, you know. But the man where you see, I got work. And turn around like a nice, like a come out and get on and come out and get him a pee hole.
Passy that one. And nobody that.
Yeah, man, Jamaica. If you want, all right, if you want to know something, just go in at the district and I can lick it down and say, how much people video it and put it on YouTube. Go in at the district and a man run it down and stab you up and say, how much people video it and put it on YouTube. Just go in at the district and start make a little house. And said that also after Miss Jane when no family area and so much people video it and put it on YouTube and big up. Just look at the thing I joke me and make. Jamaica people don't celebrate good.
No, me just do
when they do good it's bad.
We just do a video on that. Same thing. We don't celebrate good, man. We have to change.
No, Jamaica people don't celebrate good.
We the people. I do a video name, We the People. See, we are real talk, man. The more wicked I am, and the more
me say a youth one day, one little boy about in care more than 6. It must be low, but I don't think him reach 6. With a machete. Me don't know if you see it on Facebook.
Yes.
With a machete. He must be go around at the front. I don't know when to run at the front, because I not listening, man. He go around at the side and I chop the wall and I see people laugh. You see talking at that?
No, I was.
Which part in that you
we need to ask. We need a whooping.
You see, Carlos?
What do you mean if I see it? I'm angry. We do a video on it.
All right. Which part in that? Which part in that you? If I might be not cut him a bastard, the machete him forgot. He forgot off his. Anytime he see machete, him run left it. Which part in that you the joke?
No.
A little 4 or 5 year old boy with a machete and I like my chop off the chop door. And people they round him a laugh. Which part in that you find joke?
No, sir. Disgusting. Disgusting.
So me the joke in that.
Monster.
One back to back to days. Him would hear nothing out of his ears. Him would have to machete and run left it. Because of the sign that you are showing me. That is a sign.
They need some serious therapy. They need serious bending. You ever bend the tree for?
Yeah, people are
He want bend. He need to be bend. That look boy and big people.
Okay.
Bring them teeth.
So me which part in that? You see the joke. Cause me never see it enough.
No, sir, me not see it.
Me never see the joke.
So
you show me which part in that you see the joke. A little 4, me say can't more than 6. It can't more than 6. 4, would I put in the eye. 4, I chop off a wall, chop off a door with a machete.
Jump up on counter.
Which part in that you find joke?
If an adult do that, you got
you tell me.
If an adult do that, they could have called the police with a camera. You could go to prison for that. Think about you go and shop and a juke off of somebody and then a chop and a friend somebody with a machete. You go to jail. And them laugh for themselves, the baby do it. The future.
And them laugh. See a baby and do that and laugh. You laugh. Which part you get joking at that? Tell me which part is the joking at that. So I tell you, the Jamaica people don't cherish good. If anything were bad is good in Jamaica. And anything were good is bad in Jamaica. We as a Jamaican need to come together and lack certain things. Police, opposition, MP, doctor, lawyer, everybody. One person can't do it.
No.
One person can't do it. One party can't do it. Me want somebody to go to prison out of this where I am. Me want somebody to go to prison.
Yes, man.
Because that is the only way.
Prison was a politician. People, light up the streets and lights. Let me say if you say prison. If you say prison for politician, we are heard to be the last 70-something years. Let me see the light. Let me talk about the pain and labor rights. No blood run, no suffering people. Let me light up, let me say some lights and stuff. See,
prison.
Prison, we say. Look what with Boris Johnson, England people. They man just a party, ethics. He man not thief, no money people. He did not do nothing criminal like we criminal we're having an office. People
keep a party.
Keep a party and them stringing him up right now. We're gonna kick him off of the cliff.
Then right now them string him up.
Them string him up people. Man for them party, string him up. Man in them own side. That means that even man for them own side. For them own side. The strongest beating the strongest beating get verbally is from man for them own side.
You don't get the joke. Hold on, you don't get Carlos, you don't hear the joke, hear the party. Them threaten the backbenchers, you know, the back MP them, you know. Them threaten them, you know. Them threaten them and them and Scotland Yard boy gone in again, you know. So anybody where them find or threaten them, you know, is blackmail that, you know, them are prison, you know.
Oh God. And look
what me tell you. Them threaten the backbenchers them, say if them vote, one war go happen, you know. And Scotland Yard gone in again, you know. They say anybody will threaten them, you know, I got prison.
Intimidation, blackmail.
Yeah, blackmail them, I got prison people. Because them I tell them, say, if them like them vote, them I go run them out.
See that? Jamaica, don't see that? When a young politician cannot vote against the leader, if politicians is in Jamaica, can you stand up against crooked, your leader who hurt the country? Politicians have to go prison. Prison them to go. We don't talk in a people. We don't have, we know what the problem is. Them could have sent Zozo in the ghetto. Look how the British ambassador said politicians are bringing gun. And them have sent Zozo, police and soldiers going to the ghetto. But look for the gun where politicians themselves might be bringing in. You see, they need to start from top. Them are point finger upon everybody, but nobody now say, guys, among us, we need to clean up, we need to fix up. You need to start from top. Why is just one law for them and one law for we? Two laws. Politicians in Jamaica are, look here. Who see a video of this Warmington sometime last year?
But listen,
a superintendent.
Hold on.
Go ahead, bro.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Me and listen with a politician named Adams. Yeah? For YouTube, me and listen Adams. That me don't know if Adams did that comment, but I me make the comment. Me say Adams, I never know say one good police star Jamaica. I rate Adams, you know. Me is a man who read Adams. Because me hear Adams talk and me say, but Jesus Christ. So me say, you know, and my wife said to me, say, Wallet, you see, me never know it's a good police star Jamaica.
Me rate him.
Say, Jesus Christ. But Adams good man. Adams said, he has made a statement to the commissioner and tell him to move certain man from Montego Bay before Montego Bay stays up. Listen, you know, where the man said, go back, go play it for live, me I tell. He said, make a statement to the commissioner to move certain police from Montego Bay before Montego Bay broke out, you know. Like Adams know where I go on, you know, yeah? And the police was moved. Some of the police them was moved where he make a statement for them, move. Him say when an MP win back, he never call the name. All of the police them gone back down to Montego Bay. Them transfer them back down to Montego Bay. Carlos, I'm going to say if you remember this. Anybody will listen to me, I want to know if they remember this. Carlos, you remember when you used to go, because I don't come from Montego Bay. You remember when you used to go to Montego Bay? You ever that Jamaican go to Montego Bay? We are talking in the 70s and 80s. Me think of foreign media there. You know, so the first time I got a man to go be, I never know the place like that Jamaica. Me think of foreign media.
We used to go waving gallery. Lecture. We used to go waving gallery.
White people. Happy white people and tourists and the most thing and the way and the blade and the Mr. But Jesus Christ never knows how Jamaica so nice. Me go Negril. Carlos. Go do a show. Me do a little twitch and some more people, but me know say after I think a Gemini with the curve. Me no member. And me say when Josie Len gone up, me still long there, you know. Me still long at the grill and me take all of my PSK and the hotel, you know. After me never know the place like that for Jamaica, that Jamaica.
Nice.
Me never know. The place sweet, me think of foreign me there. Me think of foreign me there. Go down at them place, they no one go look on it. Just go down there, no one go look on it. Just go down there, no one go look on it. People afraid of down there like puss. I never hear of people dead in a Montego. As a matter of fact, when we there Jamaica, only Spanish Town and Kingston used to bad. Me not go tell a lie. Spanish Town and Kingston. Jamaica, a chap countryman used to chop you up. I never hear about gunshot for your country. A chap countryman used to chop you up and run it down and give some big stone or piece of big stick. Or they may have a machine there, mother funny. Then give to slap out ice and you run like thief. Can you swear to God to chop and chop you, you get the chop yet, a slap you get. You hear me I tell you? Go down a country now. You see when we used to left town and go a country, how we playing it? We are bad man. Countryman afraid of we like poof. Go down a country now and think them afraid of you run come at all like a year news. Then bust on shut after you run come at all like a year news. Things the countryman afraid of you. Go down there now, go on like you want bad them up. Go on down there now.
The whole place knocking it. The whole place knocking it. The whole place. They want all
the whole country done upside down. The whole country. The most you used to hear in a country are clappers. No country never used to live a country are clappers. Go down a country now, you will me tell the Carlos, go bad up things say you're bad and go down there go bad up some man. I say then I say run come at all like a year news.
You can't bad up no man.
I think the country man around.
When a man threatening nowadays ever take it serious, no matter how the man look. No matter how look.
They may look at you and not threaten you again, Carlos. They may look at you and not threaten you again. And straight gunshot you again. Then not the man not talk to you. You bad them up and they left the scene and gone to them gun to come back. Then not even have to wait till me come. One time told me, hey boy, stay so till me come. You not hear that again.
The funny is my hitman enough.
Hey boy, you can't pass down so again, you know. You not hear that again.
The hitman.
I wait till me come back. You not hear that again. I them something they used to hear.
You not
hear that again, Carlos.
You might be funny. Hitman, them, you know. Man, hitman. Look at lecturer. Wherever you hear some man rob man, you know, kill man, you know, thief, no. Look what time you hear some man shot, man, shot. And then they take nothing. There's a case with the two brothers down at Westmoreland there. Them shot the two of the brother and killed them. One and just come from foreign. And the sister came out and said,
no, send for them, man.
Money in them wallet, whole money come from foreign and jewels and them not take down, they just spray the man gone. Me I watch a next news the other day, yesterday, them have a week. And people are spray the week. They again, see them have a birthday. People are spray. Brother, is this what's going on in the country, man? What on him? Somebody kill them make no sense to me, no lecturer. Some don't make no sense to me, like some just want to turn up fire in my country. Some just don't make no goddamn sense, you know, brother. Some don't make no sense, you know.
Carlos, but we eat the nail already, you know, Carlos. If you can get away with it, why don't do it? Then, Carlos, if me say a bank up here now and a man tell me, say, like, if you go in there, you can get 4 million, nobody not lock up in them. I go, me gone none of that. Me I go straight in there, go take it out and go my yard. Why you think most countries have law, crime, everything under order? And the sentencing, you know, and the penalty, but then give out people can't take, you know. You have one country, I think, of Peru, you know. Peru, if them hold you over there so with drugs, you know, you kiss the baby goodbye, you know. You think man run gone over there with drugs? Nobody not to go Peru with drugs. If you run go over there and then hold you, you know, remember when I tell you, you know, you kiss the baby goodbye.
It's a lecturer.
Jamaica, you can't do anything.
Brother, let me show you something.
You only want to have your money.
This is what I want to show people, lecturer. Look at now. Think about any youth from any bad neighborhood. Any bad man in Jamaica now just killed 10 men last night. Can none of them get chance to come to America, Canada, and England? They get chance to come here. When them come here, them can't even kick a dog. Them can't even kick a dog. And they will go back to Jamaica and turn up the place again in the people. Go on to the law. You know why? The laws are here to put the fear of God in you. You see, if you're petrified, you see, if you're petrified and love like a picnic, it's when they come in them place, yeah? You have to see them and wish them well. Because the laws.
You're free.
The laws that put the fear of God. So why bad man can live Jamaica? Come and them a place that turn Christian, go school, start go church, buy house, get work, have a nice wife and picnic, put on the gun and say, nothing, go back to Jamaica. You understand me? Why them come and change life from bad to good? And when they go back to Jamaica, man, just go down to Jamaica and murder people and come and get
Carlos, and the eat a nail, I'm not even call no name, you know. Never bird in a jungle, yeah? And when me ask him, I say to a virgin what they ask you. You know, the man is like, you're laughing up. I say, what? Say the man is preaching at church. I say, you say, I don't know, I love, give me joke. Them say the man in that Georgia. The man in that Georgia have a church. When I tell you, I cool at you know. The first time I see him, the first time I do a show in a Texas and I him come hold me, you know. I said, my brother, you're rich. And I look around and see him, I just be spying on ears and I say, oh, you come through immigration, man. They laugh till the nearly dead. I say, oh, you come through immigration. They laugh till the nearly dead. Because when I say a proper coot, yeah? And the man, when they ask the man what they, the man them tell me, say the man in a church.
Lord,
I turn pastor.
You see?
I preach.
You see, some people say, laws can turn a bad man into good. But when we have a country like Jamaica, where there's no laws, it doesn't mess up the youth, them come people. All the youth them mess up. There's nothing to pull them back. I mean, they fear the punishment. What the punishment there? You get caught with a gun and pay money like a traffic ticket. You pay money for when you catch an illegal gun in Jamaica. Like you're paying a traffic ticket. Family, where is it?
Well, let's do that, Carla. If the man were to keep the law intact, not obeying the law, why me I go obey it?
Well, see,
you know what I'm saying, Carla?
You go back round to
you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? My mother before my mother dead, bless her soul, my mother passed last year. No, year before last year, 1 year me gone. Yeah, bless her soul.
Condolence.
And before my mother dead, my mother called my sister them and my brother them and tell them, say, you see, Ian then call me Ian. She said, Ian is the only picnic I never hear cuss a bad word. You know, so I never cuss a bad word in front of my mother. I'm a cuss bad word.
Respect.
That's the respect I have for her. I never tell my mother say I read. You know, so when me married, me go to Jamaica, carry my wife to Jamaica. I don't know when me and my wife have, you know, but me that go and bad and my mother draw a big stone, you know, to give it to me, you know. Yeah? And my wife, the night when we lay down, we back it up back and we lay down and chat him. Babes, your mother would have really licked with this stone, me say, you think a joke she make.
My mother too.
He make me never run.
My mother right now.
Make me never run.
My mother too.
Make me never run. Make me never run. And say, you know, give me that big stone there. Make me never run. If them little mother here right now, if I have a belt after them little boy, a fight.
That's true.
You hear me tell you? It's fight. So the kids them gone crazy now because of the craziness we have in the country. Yep. Nobody no business with nobody. Everybody business with themselves.
And the energy from top.
You know what I eat though? I'm going to tell you when me eat. As a crime happen down the road. I don't know where Andrew Wallace do. Let me tell you something. Let me tell people something before me come off of this video. I want to listen to what the lecturer said. Not even Christians, I want to listen to this and ask God if you think a lie they tell. Not even God himself couldn't manage the world. That's why I'm an angel. Not even God alone couldn't manage the world. That is the reason why God has angels to help him to run the world. Because most of the work what God has to do, him send him angels and guide them to go and do it. So how Andrew alone or Manly, or Fiaga, or Portia alone are going to run Jamaica. Andrew alone cannot do it. It's the people, them around him, to do them work. So everything will happen down them, me hear them. Jesus Christ, Andrew, you will resign. Because you're not, Andrew alone cannot run the country. The next thing, the Prime Minister will say, Carlos, today we're going to sell cigarettes for $1. And we're going to sell beef for $3. And we're going to sell pork for $8. It was $1 and they raised it, double it and triple it. Guess what? They say all who never used to buy it, start buy. All who never used to buy it, start buy. And you hear them come out when they could get them a cuss. Now you can go and talk. I hate pound of fish me up in my fridge. And so I'm just so when it is a $1, you never ever buy it. No, it's a $8, everybody will buy it. Call us, we need America. Yeah? And me no remember if the ear, but if you Google it, you can't see it. Me no remember the ear. Them put 5 cents on chicken. You hear how much me tell them put it? They put it on 5 cents on chicken. And call us if you know how much ton of chicken them have to dump. You wouldn't believe that 5 cents go on it. Nobody will buy it. Them have to take it off fast. And put back the price where they depend it. You see, Jamaica people, we also help the Prime Minister to take this advantage of us. We also help the Prime Minister to take this advantage of us.
Stand up for nothing. Nothing, people.
Because most of the things what the Prime Minister done to us, we never have to take it.
No, sir. No, sir. Me tell the people.
We never have to take it.
No.
You understand?
The people.
How many times? All right. Let me ask you that question, Carlos. Because you in a politics and follow it more than me, yeah? How many times we hear politicians come around and say, vote for me, and when we win, we're going to do this, and when we do this, vote for me, and when we win, we're going to do this, and when they win, they do it to them. How much time you see that happening in Jamaica?
From your boy, I'm for politicians in Jamaica right now.
All right. How much time you see politicians promise me things,
same thing.
And we don't get a time when they win. We don't ever see them. And every time election come, them use the same strategy. Because them there is a damn fool.
Yes, man. Idiots. So they not for work.
So them catch them all the time.
They not for work.
Vote for someone for the country. Someone with future. Someone with opportunity. Someone with texture. Someone who's gonna make the country better. Don't vote for someone because you are a diarted PMP or a diarted Labour right, or else the country will never better. Grants after grants after grants are going to come, and the country will remain worse and go right down till it touch rock bottom. It now go better if you don't vote for someone with something, with not only love, somebody who can fix it. Not vote for no diarted. Vote for somebody who can fix it.
Real talk, my brother.
If we have two Jamaican, all right, say Usain Bolt, and we have another runner, but he run faster than Usain Bolt. And they say, we are going to the Olympics, but only one person can come. Because you don't love Usain Bolt, you're not going to send Usain Bolt, and you're going to send the man faster than Usain Bolt, we can go win the race for the country. Which one are you going to send? You must send the better man. Even in a cricket, sometimes you pick 11. You're going to pick the best 11 figure player. The best 11 you're going to pick figure player. You're going to look on the pitch, and you're going to say, all right, Michael Wallen is a fast bowler. You see that picture? It's a slow bowling pitch, this. So we have Caliteran, we can spin. We're going to pick Caliteran over Michael Wallen. Because you want to win the match. So you don't vote for who you like, who you diarted to. Vote for who is going to make a better Jamaica.
That's what I want.
And Jamaica will be better.
The people, we the people need change. We the people. I'll come back to us again. You hear me? I tell the people, we the people. We the people need to reprogram our mind. We the people see wrong and call it out people. We make politicians, we sit down and make politicians go out the country and rob us. And we all hide them and load the man, the next side do it too. We put a wall around criminals, just like how we shield the criminals in the ghetto and wash out the bloody clothes and we know who are murder people. See how we do it. See how we in a parliament, right to the ghetto. We the people shield wrongs when we say nothing. Look what is going on in England right now. Look what is going on with Boris Johnson. He just put on a COVID dance, COVID party. Look, them string him up right now. Them string him up, people, ready to push him off the cliff.
Them string him up.
No criminal.
And the people that the man are threatening back then to them because they get 53 votes, you know. In Ghana, you know. And them are threatening back then to themselves, them vote, you know. And a Scotland Yard boy, them gone in and say, I want to do that. I want to do that.
So that ease up the pressure. So that ease up the pressure and give these people a more free opportunity to come out and vote freely. Because that's how it's supposed to be.
Of course.
You can't have nothing threatening in the background, say a Scotland Yard on top of it and say, what? What's going on here? Vote freely for what they want to vote for. And I'm going to investigate that anybody.
Definitely.
Anybody send them in trouble.
If them fees him let down the country. Not because he is a conservative. We have to say, nah, he never let down the country and allow the man and railway. Wow. Now you have some diarted PMP. You have some diarted labor rights. You have some diarted this and some diarted that. Diarted no run country.
No.
It's who you know can run it.
What do the work? What about country?
It's who do the work run the country and the diarted run it. It's who do the work.
No. People, they want every 4 or 5 years now to work, want them to hand out every 4 or 5 years people. Probably have war till now, woman, like a lecturer say. And once every 4 or 5 years they come with a promise, hey, if it's a food, and you know when they come around, it's over certain man I get the money. And from your little boy till now, every time the politician come in a constituency, it's the same man them I get over and over and got the same shop, the same bar them, the same yard them, and at the same top man them I get over and over and over again. What me get? I'm gonna run up and down on truck. What me get? Nothing, people.
Nothing.
What wanna get?
Nothing.
Looking at the life. What wanna get? Politicians can have offices.
Politicians use this trick every election. Vote for me, you hear it in a truck. Vote for me, you want a better country. Vote for me. And when the politics done and election done, you know, you're a vehicle go around and say, now that you vote for me, I'm going to give you this. Now that you vote for me, I think you don't see them.
But hold on, looking up. Yeah, you know the thing what hurt me? Is when we say, when election time come, all the crippled man, them going to bed go lift up in the people. Because them give, man go out, them pay man with vehicle, you know. They go lift up everybody. All the
and when election done, they don't even have to cripple man eat.
So why no? Why when after this, are the people who do charity, me I say I like them. Me say a lady highlight a house, a living condition of a crippled man in her bed. I go post it on my page. The lady asked me to post it. Some lady asked me to post it because it touch her heart. So why the government go find a crippled man in bed living out? So one room with zinc around. You want to bet if an election time they go take out the crippled man out of bed, go vote. But
yeah.
When election
done,
go find this.
When election done, them don't even know if the crippled man eat.
Think I joke?
Them don't even know if him eat.
Let me ask you a question, Lecturer. If a man, if a single mother there in England right now, and she don't have no food, and she have a couple youths, and she has struggle, what she do over there? She go on the street, go beg, or she beg charity?
You're mad. Hey, let me tell you something. Let me give you something. You see over here, the Indian, them mostly, them pray if they have a cripple picnic. You might not believe that. The government, them rich. Let me tell you 3 things where you know ramp with in England. But in England nearly 30 years now. Yeah? Let me tell you 3 things where you know ramp with England. Picnic, old people, and animals. No ramp with them 3 days. Picnic, old people, and animals. Don't ramp with them the 3. Carlos, you know, if you drive in England and lift down a dog and don't stop a police, you got prison, like it's a man you kill.
You can't pick a dog, man.
If you drive and a dog across the road and you lick him and go on like you're not stop and police to you, the siren I put on and they get handcuffed and go in.
Hold on that note there. One of people, when we come out further, we see them have some bird on there. Them call them some type of crane, but they are protected bird. These birds know them so protected. They say some tall long bird. Them walk stand up on the middle road of Florida. People don't know that anybody in Florida know the name. Put the name in the comment section. In Florida, there are some big tall bird that is protected. All the bird they know so them bossy. They know so they protected. Them all stand up on the road and move. You have to go around them. Bird.
What make you think that England picnic them states? You think you can deal with picnic anywhere in England? Eh? You must be crazy. Old woman, if you ever rob a old woman and then hold you kiss the baby goodbye. Rob a old woman and make them hold you. Bust her up on them so and make them hold you. Make them hold you as much here they give you. Just go, if you think you bad, kick off a old woman door. Go in there, go rob her and beat her. Worse, if she dead or if she not dead. If she dead, you get the same sentence as if she not dead.
That's true, man.
You must think them play over here. You think there are some people when we see they call handicap at Jamaica. You think me never hear that word in England?
No.
Me never hear the word handicap in England.
Disabled. Let me tell you something.
Disabled me hearing.
Let me tell you something.
Disabled. Me never hear that word in England, handicap.
Enough people have disabled family member and in a bed out there. Just like the crippled man, you see. The crippled man, him can't talk, you know, him can't talk and everything. But because he probably have no way of rolling out of bed, he will lay down there in the bed there until him dead. Or the video me watching the crippled man and the zinc one room there. A lot of people have them little people in the yard. Me the Americans, I see, like paraplegic going to school, brother, university, brother. Me see them go to college, brother. Them across the road on the little wheels like everybody's my press a button like this, and them go cross the handicapped people, brother.
You know what my wife call it. You know what my wife call it. Carlos, a Benz and Lexus she call it. Watch me now, Benz and a Benz and Lexus them go over here, them couple people there.
Yes, man.
Benz and Lexus. The government give them vehicle. You understand? Give them them little thing where they can get around. Nobody no write off nobody over here.
Mr. Disabled man drive a van.
We need more love in Jamaica. We need more people to talk the truth.
Yes, man.
We need more people with heart. I said, no, man, not because me's a PMP. Why me I go vote for you because you're not good. No, man, not because me's a GLP. Me I go vote for you. You're not going good, man. You bring down the country. You're not going good.
Yeah, man.
Talk the truth. Be honest when you vote. Vote honestly. No vote because you're a die-hearted. Vote honestly.
Cheers.
And the country will be better.
People, politicians must be held accountable. That's all where the root of this argument is. And that's when the lecturer start talk before him come on live. He talk about this thing. And the man is passionate people. Just like I hear the brother half ear and ear, a same wave stay half ear. The man passionate about him country family. Yeah, man say we dead.
Yeah, man.
The man say what? We dead but Jamaica.
Why me love Jamaica in a Carlos? I told me go around the world. Carlos, you know, so when we there, when we there foreign, when we used to tour and there foreign, you know, say we dying to come back to Jamaica. He said, me go, hey, you see all them talk about, me go Barbados one time. And me go do a show at Barbados one time. And I say, I look at things subway over there. Look at things, subway there, Barbados. I know that people ever say Barbados rice. Carlos, them big like red peas. The grain of the rice, them big like red peas. Me don't know where they get their rice. They cook one something name, what is name? A fufu. Fufu, where they mix the okra turn in a cornmeal and beat it out. And me say, me couldn't name nothing over there. No care where me taste it. No care where promoter them say, just taste and me taste it. It not taste. Jamaica food are the best. Jamaica water are the best. Jamaica ear are the best. Jamaica girl are the best. Jamaica man, we skill. So why we not show we skill this?
Lecturer.
Why we are using skill against each other?
Lecturer, I wanted to tell the people them right now, say, when you hear about the killing in Jamaica, me hear man just take one brush and paint the whole of Jamaica, you know, but I lie them I tell. It's just because I feel like
enough people when you hear that about Jamaica. The next thing when me eat, you know, you see when me say me eat it, Carla, enough people when you hear talk about Jamaica never come to Jamaica. You don't believe me? Enough people here talk about Jamaica, never been to Jamaica. Them, all right, to show you Jamaica people stupid enough. Let me show you how we stupid enough. We. Coming around, I'm going to say with me, Jamaica people like me and the Jamaican.
What are we?
I'm going to show you how we stupid. We stupid, yeah? You know that every country where me go call us. At Jamaica, me see them want to act like every country where me go.
For real?
Them want to act like Jamaican. Them want to talk like Jamaican. Them want to dress like Jamaican. Them want to write like Jamaican. They want dance like Jamaica. Everything. So me I said to myself, blur not. Are we a lead? Are we a lead? Then we can see how we are lead.
We don't see it.
And all the thing together.
We don't see it, man.
Oh, we don't see how we are lead. Every country want to be we.
You mash up yourself. Me say, listen to me.
Every country want to be we, and we are here on ourselves. And every country want to be we, and we are here on ourselves. Why we can't see it into ourselves? Why we can't help our one another? You know, say you know, say King Jam is I like my father. King Jam is my father, like my father. If me don't want to stay at my house, me can stay at Jammy house anytime at all. Jammy will give me car and everything. I like my father. Yeah? All right. What do you make me go down and me talk to Jammy? I say, Jammy, why when people rich, yeah, other people bad mind them? Them friend come kill them and they say. That means them wasn't a friend. Then call us. If me and your friend, and me here say you turn millionaire. Me no most glad them me not turn millionaire to if my friend turn millionaire.
Yes.
Me a millionaire too if my friend a millionaire. The only way me a no millionaire, Carlos never have me for a friend. Carlos, me can pack up my clothes now and come to Jamaica and I have to fret, you know, without spending money, you know. Me just go for jamming. Me not have to fret. If me I go dancing, put money in my pocket. If me I go a beating, put money in my pocket. Me not have to fret. Because I'm a friend.
Real friend. Real friend.
I'm a friend. You understand? When Jamie come up here in England here, no care if me I work or anything. Ask Jamie if you ever interview Jamie. Me left all my work and come drive with him. Me not gonna work in Ghana, Jamaica. Because I'm a friend. I'm a friend. You understand? So how you can see your friend rich and turn around kill your friend?
Kill a
turn around bad mind your friend. That means it wasn't your friend. Because your friend rich, you rich still.
You know what's good?
Because there's no way your friend gonna see you suffer.
No.
There's no way your friend gonna see you suffer unless you and him wasn't friends.
Greed, man. Greed, man. Envious.
No, man, Jamaican a sample, man.
No, man.
A sample. Because Jamaican sample. Carlos, me have nightmare and night time over Jamaica. You don't believe me, man. Me have nightmare.
I believe you. I know you are.
Right now, when I'm a virgin down at Jamaica, I'm calling every day the way me are afraid. The dying thing come up. Me afraid. And I own country in Ghana and me afraid. Carlos, what do you want to be virgin woman put him out? Yeah? 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah? Because so English girls here, then I run to pack your black bag here and tell us come out, you know. And even when you're house, you know, from the call the police have to come out, you know.
Pack you up. Black bag?
Yeah, yeah, man, English girl, then I run to pack your black bag here, man. And if them call the police out when I hear house, you have to come out. Yeah? And then and the police said, nah, move till you come out neither. Then nah, move till you come out.
Yes.
Yeah? And my friend called me. And me and him a drive. I go feed him a car and come to my house. And me and him a drive. And I look at him and I say, you're so very nice. And so I make say that. I say, if I did Jamaica, you're there now, was now, you know, 3 o'clock in the morning, you call me, you know. You have to check the time and say, you mad? Me not come at them place there. You mad? Me if I drive come there, so no stop me not come there. You can't live in your country afraid for drive all over the place. You don't see how we live. You can't live now in our own country and afraid in our own country. Carlos, me can get up in England any hour, any time and drive go anywhere. That's what you call real life.
Me can walk. Many miles radius.
Walk. No real life, not that Jamaica.
You can go walk or jog anytime. Night or day.
First thing, you have to check. You have to check what time it is to go certain place. No real life, not that Jamaica. I still prison.
Don't make it get dark.
Carry 3 birds. Me carry 3 birds come to Jamaica. Me carry 3 birds come to Jamaica from Sheffield. Yeah? And the man then come back and then call me Yardy. They say, Yardy, I like Jamaica, man. I like Jamaica, but we're scared, man. Mr. Warner scared for. They said the house down there, they're hazard. Mr. Warner mean hazard. They said, heavy house you go, you take it to. It's grilled up. What if fire catch us in the house and we can't find the key? I mean, looking at myself, I'm Mr. Blood people because that's sweet people them attack. Every house at Jamaica have a van grill.
Yes.
If you have a van grill, you're not see it. What kind of country that will live in?
For real.
And we, nobody now come from out the door, come do it, you know. It's we same one.
Yes,
and bring down we own place.
Yes, man.
We own place. If a man come over here, you know, call us, and turn thief, he start rob, he start sell drugs, he start this. Me no business with him, in a car, guess what? He might come us in a different place. Oh, you for us in your own place. My mother would have said, oh, you for shit by your doorway. Oh, you for us in your own place, your own country. You degrade. Take down your own country. Why are you doing that?
Wow. Man. With Jamaica is a several prong approach, people. Several prong approach. We the people have to change. Government have to change. Police have got to change. Parents have got to change. Next generation have to change. So it's a several prong approach, people. And like I hear the general say,
everybody. You're going
to start from top. You're going to start from top, you know. A top you're going to start from. Top. We're going to start from top. You're going to pick out the corruption because you can't have a dirty map to clean a sterile area. You can't have a dirty piece of cloth. You can't have the dirty map, a sile up. Remember you want to clean a room, you know, and a dirty map you want to map it out, map you go wash out, and clean up. Map you go prison, and come back fresh. Yeah, that's what I mean. So you can have a dirty map.
Yeah.
Clean up the room, family. If you run just like Boris Johnson in England, the man did nothing criminal. Think about the Jamaica people. Look what the type of things that we embrace. Criminals in office, thief money. The last election I saw so many people comment on social media. Say them not care about corruption. They will vote for them, say, I swear to God, when I saw that, I said, oh my God, the country, our country are better when the people think so. People write in the comment section last election, they do not care about corruption. We've seen in many videos how many politicians buy vote in a plain sight. What do they have to politicians buy vote at my place, brother? Plain sight.
But you have to buy the vote, you know, because you're dying to go in, because you have one intention you have when you go in, you know.
Think about that.
You buy the vote because you want to win, you know, because it's one intention you have when you go in. It's to take out.
Then you must spend money. I bet, you know. You bet on the house. You spend money. Again,
so you can't spend any amount of money. All you pray for is to win.
People, this is this.
I know when you are going, the money where you spend for going, you triple it and couple it.
Everybody share this live, you know. Because Jamaica need to hear this on the world. I really talk this, my virgin I have with me today. Everybody share this video, family, and get it out there. Because we as people need to change. And somebody need to listen to that type of reason, yeah. You see, my family? So, me and Lecture have been on the board for a minute. I call from over diaspora family. Lecture the dancehall artists. The man have things to say about the country. We love him country deep. Like, we even love you. Man say, man, he keep him up at night, man. You think Jamaica not keep you up late at night? Some people want to call us, how you sleep? How you sleep, Carlos? He keep you up. He keep you up. Jamaica keep you up. Because Jamaica is part of our retirement. And if it's part of our plan, and to, you know, be like somebody say, boy, screw Jamaica. Some people, you know, say screw Jamaica, they're not going back. Some people now have no sleepless night over Jamaica. Tell me right now. There are people who decide they're not going back from the moment they touch the plane. They not think about Uno. They not think about the country. They're gone. But some of us can't stay so. So we might must step on Jamaica. We must have sleepless night. Think about the retirement, get the real. My plan was to, when we there Jamaica, I used to buy one bulla in a lecturer and share that one bulla with me and virgin them, you know. You know, so sometimes we have a lot. We have the money of money. Listen to what we used to pour. We are pouring about the amount of money to buy the bull, buy shot a penny or something like that. You're looking at the bag and tell the shopkeeper, the one they broke off, same the one for the money, the one they broke off. And you get the one bull there in a pour, and you broke that up with the bridging. Now we come a foreign. Remember one bull there? Now we can't go buy the whole goddamn glass case. A bulla. You mean so we can't go back to Jamaica, go buy the whole glass case, what we always want. We can't do that. We used to see if we could have asked the back.
What do you call us? Me find myself with nearly about two barrel of shoes. That's the blur now. It's a sin, man. I pack up the whole of them, send that blood clean Jamaica. And tell my sister them, say, give everybody we passing on the shoes. Just give him, Fanny can fit them. Just give him. She said, who will think it? I said, give anybody. Me not a name down there. Just get, you know when me remember why me do that? One pair of shoes me did have. Yes. And me find myself with two
you know,
barrel. Full when me now wear. When me now wear. When me I do with it? Me say, give it away. Just give anybody where you see a pass. Yeah. Just give anybody where you see a pass. Just give them it. Call them and say if it can't fit them and just give them it.
Yo, remember my life, brother. I've been supporting. I used to wear shoes when I got high school. Remember, I used to watch people, dirty clothes, rich people.
Mr. Barefoot, nigga.
Fit them wear and left shoes to get high school. You know? And we're humble. We never kill nobody. Then the days that the rich people come from England to the retire in our neighborhood, have them local shop, them local C-store, local bar, and live at
yo, remember said them time that we love foreigner. Remember said them time that we love foreigner, you know?
Oh, God.
We love foreigner, them time that can't get for. If we have a foreign friend with nice.
Nice. No, they kill them. No,
we have a foreign friend with nice.
Think about it. What do you mean if we're nice? Foreign friend and break we are.
With nice, we not kill them. Kill a man.
We don't kill foreign friend. No, they kill foreign friend. Remember me, I look at you, some look at people in name, the Waitland, them, you know. They live with some, them for them road, they far up at them house, they far up at the road for the hills, and they used to drive some old cars, some look at old England people, some old woman, some sister them, and then the white woman them, and them weak and old, but they used to drive. Nobody never go there to rob them. Nobody never rob the Waitlands.
Yeah,
them two sisters live until them die up there. Them live, people, them have to drive to some Lagwood garden place when the road no dead, no light, no dead people. Because them have a work of property.
And nobody
people. Nobody, no. Man, go, people, not only would they rob them now, this generation will go cut them throats. This is the thing that Mr. take on now. They're not only going to rob them and let them go. They cut them throat, people. Personal
kill. Them are going to kill them. Then I left them that them can't get back. Then can't get back at it.
Kill them.
Then I left them that they can't get back at it. Them are kill them.
Kill them. Cold heartless.
They what? They what? And police, the people them do nothing.
Because police not gonna find them either, brother. They know the police not gonna find them. We don't have the resource and the forensic. Police not gonna push the extra mile.
But all right, Carlos. Tell me one case. Tell me one. You didn't know what I said. Right now, I must say 2 out of every 10 cases ever get solved by Jamaica. A man dead today, police just reported and passed through the district 2 times and see that under the carpet. Can't go investigate now. No. And the man not going to prison.
Man, I pick up the cold, the good detective now pick up the cold file out of the cabinet.
Detective and them get paid.
He now pick up the cold case. No, detective.
Check every detective in a Jamaica. Check every detective in a Jamaica. How many cases have you solved and how long are you in the force? Just check every detective with that Jamaica and say how many cases have you solved and how long did you join the police force? I hear what they tell you.
How could I argue with that? That's a good question.
Just check every detective in a Jamaica. Starting from today, go check them. How long are you in the force? Write it down. 10 years. How many cases have you solved? 3. Remember what we tell you. Them no business.
Run them on.
Hey, you know why me rate England? Why me rate England? Carlos. He said to kill a man over Yasser. He said to live in a bulb. That case they not done till it's solved.
Same Yasser too.
It's a close.
Same Yasser.
That case, I could have 14, 11. I'm not tell you something happened to me. This is an example where I'm to me. My nephew come over here, yeah, and in those days, you could have give people your name and your national insurance number to go work, yeah. I go to Rooks and give my nephew my name and my national insurance number to go work, yeah. My nephew stab up a man at Sheffield, stab him up, hospitalize him, and me never know, yeah, and cut. Remember, I said when he got station, he give my name, you know, cause my name, I work with, you know. They run the fingerprint on my name and everything, you know, and then cut. Me never know enough. They don't know, so one time me get a speeding ticket now. Me get a speeding ticket now, Carlos, yeah? And when you get a speeding ticket over here, you say not guilty, you know. It has to go court. But say in what you call it, traffic offense, you don't get the lawyer, not now you have to defend yourself in a traffic offense up here. So me go, like me go court this Monday, next Monday, me go this Monday. Me never remember when me go court. So when me go to court, them say, Mr. Edwards, it's not today you have to come to court, but you are wanted. Me say, wanted. Them say, yes. Me wanted. So the policeman say, like in I said, me ain't no talking to you. Read me my rights, put on my cuff, and carry me go lock them. So them send for the police now, we have the case. When the police come, me see police I look for me, like him I say, most of the rock man this time up. And me see open one book and show me a picture. And so me know some I never wanted, you know, and ask me if me know this man. Luckily, you know, then me pick my wallet on the train. Then pick my wallet on the train and me did report my license stolen. Yeah? So me tell at that, make me come out of it. Me tell them, say, somebody has used my name and the police I believe you because this is not you. Yeah? Carlos, you know, say that man Edwards, ask King Jamaica think I lie me I tell. I got nearly 20-something years now it happened. Up till now, every come to the airport, them hold me.
Wow.
I dep on the computer, say Manley Edwards and my date of birth wanted. Every come to Gatwick Airport. Me and Jamie go on a tour. We go Switzerland, we come back to England, then hold me. We go France, we come back to England, then hold me. We go, when I next place a name? Portugal. We come back, then hold me. We go Germany, then we come back, then hold me. Jamie said, no man, the people are serious. He said, Jamie, this now come off till them hold who them a look for, so England stay. You know me start get stopped from what do you know? Then give me a number. For putting on my passport, because I change my passport what do you? 10 years up and then we go for my next passport. And then put a number in there. And somebody start come through legally now without them stop me.
Wow.
So I eat me a tell her. And that's a 20 years. That's not throughout. Because them don't hold who them I look for. Now Jamaica, 3 days and it done.
Done man. You know one thing when I say Jamaica, what I understand, lecturer, and it's when the police them shoot the bad man, then me not care which bad man. Look at me not take up in no criminal. Remember me tell them said, me not take up in no criminal. Because them more happy get out of Jamaica and better. But when we see police kill so-called people picnic, what them say are criminal, and the police then don't shoot them up in the backyard, next thing the police and lift them up out of the backyard, go throw them in the jeep and roll off with them. What the forensic, who check and say if really the man that shoot up at them are one? That not like in Jamaica. Because when man gets shoot up a person, police shoot them. The area is cordoned off for a long time. Forensic investigators come and make sure say they lie whatever the police.
If a man, let me tell you something too. You see somebody youth them in Jamaica where police kill. Carlos me a youth to talk reality and we talk truth and right. Some of the youth them were police kill in Jamaica. If I'd up here, police kill and the police got prison till him fought. You remember what me tell you? I could have 300 man that man kill where you shoot. You go and prison till him fought.
They have rights too. The murderer have rights here.
Okay. You go to prison till you fought. Because you see at the time when you kill the man, your life wasn't at risk. The man wasn't doing nothing. So sometimes when you see people block road, it's not black road, them a black road for the murderer right now. They are blocking roads for the way how the murderer was killed. But a lot of people don't understand that. It's not black, them a black road for the murderer. Them a black road for the way how you kill him. You never have to kill him, you could carry me in. That's why they have to bring in hanging. Because if you know this man is a gunman, and you positive sure you have the evidence on him that him kill Tom, him kill Harry, and him kill Dick, and a mouth talk. Because first thing in Carlos, let me tell you something, me talk reality. If you go in a court and the police and the judge asks, what have this man do? And you say he's a murderer. Can you prove it to us? Because you have to prove it in a court. You know, say this man is a murderer, you know, before the judge send him away. You know. You understand me, mate?
Mm-hmm.
You have to prove it in court.
Without a doubt.
You have to prove it in court. So here we now. Carry the man and go investigate him. Carry him go to court, go prove him guilty. Go and prove him guilty and go hang him, or go send him on the death chamber, or go give him the gas, or put him in prison forever. Most of the youth them where the police them kill. The police are the murderer rather than the youth them. And that is what stir up the youth them that is what stir up the youth them call us, because the youth them know if this boy see me, I have a gun for me, he might go kill me if I have a gun. Because I know he must say he's a murderer. So I have a gun for me, I go try shoot the way out.
They not lecturer. Me do a video, me say, even though we want the criminals to be dead out and go to prison, that's not the way we want crime to fight in Jamaica. It will make it worse and make our chance of coming Jamaica even harder and much longer. Because crime can't go down like that if you treat people like that. I can't go up to see coming out of Jamaica. We don't want, listen to me, we want our criminal move up, but there's a way of doing it, family. The thing that hurt me bad is when we see police shoot man on us up. I mean, look, the police might come around and somebody yard back. Remember, them don't shoot your son. Hold on, the same police who shoot your son, dead, lift him up, pick him up, take him on the front and throw him in that Jeep and pick up truck and ride off. Where is the investigation to find out if these police are telling the truth? This is going to shoot off at them. Where it was when the police were shooting that they stop.
And though you kill someone up here, you will kill him, can't lift him up.
You can't touch him.
You will kill him, can't lift him up.
That's true.
A different police have to come tape off, do that,
proper investigation,
take picture, Ray, and
them
lift him up and carry him. You can't lift him up and carry him.
Everything corner off and the shoes lace corner off. If the shoes lace about their shoes down, so
but I want to tell you something. One day I have a brethren up here come from Jamaica and they had my drive and we see some roadblock. And they are saying, that's all a man jump off a bicycle up there, so the police tape off the road. And man a laugh, you know. But say, who does a man jump off a bicycle up there, so? You know, and when we go up there, guess what? It's a car come on off a bicycle. I take them tape off the road because friends have to come see who wrong, which part of the brake. If you draw your brake, if Ray, you did up on the right side, then something to go on at Jamaica.
No, man.
A man lick up for a bicycle, him see a man open the door. I said, back to boy, come out of the road where you drive. You're riding on the road like that, you on the road.
People, a slavery treatment. People, a slavery treatment. That's why we who fly out of Jamaica and come in the diaspora and see better. We are whistling so we want better for Uno. People.
I saw you have to see the real life. I saw you have to real life when you travel. And when you travel, you have to real life, you know.
And don't say that Jamaica is not England or America. You don't deserve better. You don't believe that politician wasn't stealing money and were held accountable for all the millions of dollars been leaking for how much years, family. You don't think that Jamaica will be better? You don't think that Jamaica will be better? We can afford it, Jamaica. We're a poor country. But money does not leak everywhere out of the bucket called Jamaica. And nobody's ever held accountable. So if you thief too, don't say anything about me, bro. You get yours already. Allow me to get mine. What about him over the summer? I'll get mine.
Definitely.
That's
why I tell you again, and that's why I tell you again, Carlos, me want Valvinita to make some of them politicians, boy, they got prison.
Man, I hope
some of them they got prison.
Yes, I hope she have the file from Andre Stevens. Him saying give her the file and evidence. I hope she got enough we can send some criminal go to prison. But then serious.
Yes, but then got prison.
Prison for politicians. What we say?
Better. Because you say if PMP win, if PMP ever win, Labour Right are go watch them. I say if Labour Right are prison, people in the house are gonna start take a stock. I say, boy, I don't want to go to prison, you know, so I not do this.
No example.
You understand? Somebody figure out prison.
People, just like this, you don't have to lock up every bad person on the island. Just slap a couple the right way and the rest of them will find bus fare quick off of that. Everybody find bus fare quick off of that. I tell you, line up. People.
All right. Carlos, you never have to fight yet. You know my brother always tell me. My brother always tell me, say, you say if you go fight, and you fight a boy and then go for a man to come fight, you beat him up and then go for a man, or you and then cuss and go, lick down the man where he go for. Just lick down the man where he go for. I if you lick down the man where him go for, him a go say then if me go for you and you fight and then lick it down. What him a go do with me? Him a cut to. Just lick down the man where him go for. Lick him down. Take a big stone and fling in his face fast. And see how fast the one will go for him run. So you see, if more want them lock up the main man in the MP part, lock him up in the House of Parliament, catch him and lock him up. Yeah?
Example.
And sentence him. And then it set an example.
Yes, but the only way we're free. But people, we've been on for with lecture the dancer artists, people. Follow me on Instagram, people. Follow me on YouTube, people. Go over there and subscribe on YouTube. I can bring up my viewership on YouTube. People come and do a lot of work over there, check out the video over there, people. And me and lecture been on for a minute, dancer lecture hosting, put on the too sweet and write my letter, people. Manners and respect to the artist now. We've been on for a minute, so I'm going to make lecturer give him final thoughts on this, people. And before him go through. So I just want to tell him before that, so I really appreciate him coming out and speaking out plain and raw and dry, and him man not hold no bars. The man that speak like it is, and the one I don't understand what I say. Lecturer, give me the final thoughts, brother.
Yeah, when me I try to tell Jamaica people, we know corruption is there. The only way you can get rid of corruption is to speak out. Many of us are scared, and if you notice me don't say, me know you're scared. Many of us, because we are all Jamaicans, we are scared of talking. We can write letter and drop it somewhere. Nobody now knows that we can do that. We can do many ways to do it. Because the police are telling us to come to station contact. No, 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 station go tell the police don't. Because we're not go dead. Because police inside of the station not care back on the name on the road. That's how the corruption deep in Jamaica. You understand? But you can do different things. If I have to walk and drop letter per road, make people read it. And mouth talk are the wickedest thing. When somebody know, enough people know. And it might reach the right ears. It might just reach the right ears. Yeah? Jamaica is the land of paradise. No make nobody tell you nothing. If everybody down at Jamaica can manage on themselves, take foreign off on the mind. Because foreign is not better roads. Jamaica better roads. Everybody wants to be a Jamaican throughout the world. I am happy I am a Jamaican. I don't business with nobody. I am happy I am a Jamaican, and nowhere I will go where I'm going to put down my country. Them could have murdered people down the till that Jamaica is my country. If everybody loves Jamaica, we cannot hurt Jamaica. You cannot hurt who you love. Let us put our love back in the country. Where is the neighbor we used to call and say, Miss Joyce, you cook, nobody cook, and me I go cook, and me I get you some. Where is that? Where is the neighbor we used to get a pumpkin and cut it in 4 pieces and share it up? Where is the neighbor where got country and you carry back a bunch of banana come be your neighbor? Where is those love? Where the love is gone? Let's bring back the love in the country. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. I cry out to all of you. Bring back the love. Bring back the love. And nothing can conquer us when we have love. No PMP, no labor right, no GLP, nothing at all. Bring back the love. No bring back no politician. No bring back no leaders. No bring back no Dan. Bring back the love. Because if you love, you cannot hurt who you love. Blessed is my country. Good night, people.
Alright, well, I know the video was a bit long, but people, did you listen to it from beginning to end? More you talk to me right now in the comment section and tell me what you think about the points lecturer made and also the point Jamaican Carlos made as well. See it? More you talk to me down below in the comment section because you know me always tell you your opinion matters. I'm out.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.